Hello again. My name is Carly and I'm making another video. Don't really know why, but I am making this one off the morals of atheists. And so I've had a lot of religious people tell me that I don't have any morals because I don't have a religion to give me one or I don't have a book to follow. So I'm here to tell you that that is simply not true. And I have morals even though I don't have a religion giving me one. So right off the bat, your beliefs don't make you a better person. Your actions do. So the difference between atheists and religious people is that we don't need to be threatened with being burning in hell for all eternity to do the right thing. So what a lot of people ask me is, well, what will stop me from killing everyone? What will stop me from kidnapping and raping everyone? And my answer to that is simply because you don't want to, or because you are a civilized person. And so if you think that the only thing that's holding you back is your religion, then I think you have a problem and you should probably get that checked out. My morals are telling me, no, I'm not going to go over there and punch that girl in the face, or I'm going to go kick that guy in the balls. That's just simply not how I work. I will go tell him like how I feel. I'll just be rational instead of letting my emotions kick in and try to kill them. If you just base your emotion like off your emotions, then you're pretty much just going to be pretty primitive. Most atheists have better morals than most religious people. Like, we don't discriminate against gays. We don't discriminate against other religions, and we don't care what race you are or what sex you are. So, I mean, religion has a pretty good history of being extremely um, uh, prejudiced and discriminative. So, good morals right there, I guess. I do not need to be lectured by religious people telling me like what their morals are, or like if I have no morals. You guys have been done burning witches, which, I mean, now that you think about it, pretty ridiculous. You have been known for not giving gays any rights, or we had women's rights. We had a fight for those. You barely gave those up. And if you just read the old Bible, then you'll actually see like how like women weren't allowed into the church with their they weren't allowed to, they had to cover all their hair, and they weren't allowed to speak or anything. And so good job with your morals on that part, treating only half the people with the same rights. So a lot of the wars, just any war, you can pretty much connect religion to it somehow. The other side is normally viewed as the evildoers, or they were inspired by the devil. And so we are the good side. We are fighting for God. And so this has led to many wars. Like when the terrorists attacked on 9/11, George Bush actually made a quote that said that the terrorists were evildoers, and automatically a lot of people made that connection that evildoers, they're the devil. We have to go go and join a war so we can fight for God. And so that led to a lot of troops dying overseas, and that's just really sad. So another historical event is the Crusades. So pretty much what happened was a group of people went all over the world, or not all over, but mainly in Europe and stuff, and they converted you. And if you didn't convert, they would just kill you. So if you don't believe what they believe in, then you would just simply die. And so that's not very moral, I guess you could say. And the last I have is the KKK. Known for being extremely discriminative, but they have a Christian base. So great morals there, guys. Being an atheist, I don't really care about any of that. So if you're not a human being, I will treat you with the same respect that I expect back. Humanity does not come from religion. Humanity comes from becoming civilized as human beings. Just because you say we're flawed doesn't give you the right to be violent. I'm not religious, and I am totally fine with not hurting people. And I'm sure a lot of people are the same way, but you can't just be like, oh, we're flawed. So God understands if we kill a bunch of people, it's just because we're flawed. You know what? I don't know what your God believes like, but for me, that is ridiculous. You don't go around and kill people just because you think you're flawed. And our morals are gonna give us, great morals are gonna give us the best time on this earth. So we're just gonna use kindergarten tactics. Treat others how you want to be treated. If you don't get pushed around on the playground, then I won't push you. And then I'll expect you not to push me back. And so that's just how it's gonna work. But I don't know. So thank you guys. Once again, if you have any questions or if I got something wrong, which I know I probably did, then you can tell me and I will be looking forward to your comments, and I really hope to hear from you guys. So, all right, thank you. Bye.